and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make an egg salad sandwich. Yes, it's not a regular egg salad sandwich. We're going to twist it a little bit. We're going to put it in a wrap and add a few things to it. But the first thing is, let's start with the eggs here. Here we go. I'm adding some onion and I'm using the cheese grater as well. Dry parsley, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, let's give it a little mix. I like the idea for the onion to use the cheese grater, because a lot of people, they don't like the crunchy onion, especially in the egg salad, eh? So that's way you get your egg salad onion flavor in it without biting on a crunchy onion. Perfect, it's ready to go. Now I'm using here the tortilla bread to we're going to make the egg salad wrap. So what do I need here? Just to grill mark it a little bit. Make sure your grilling pan very hot. And now let's place the tortilla flour. Here you go. As soon as you start seeing the lines here, that means it's ready. And exactly that's what we need. Voila. Here you go. So put the eggs in the middle. Spread it a little bit. And what I'm doing here, I have some alfalfa sprout. Alfalfa sprout goes so well with the egg salad. I'm gonna put some here, and I have some arugula as well. Lovely. Now we fold both sides and let's roll our sandwich. Bring it in. Keep rolling. Voila, here we go. Now give it nice slice. Put it on the plate, few green under. Voila, here you go. Quick and easy sandwich, you in a hurry. Egg salad wrap. Yummy. It is good. The green, the Dijon mustard, it's unbelievable. So it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.